A setback coming in for Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, he had approached court asking for a stay on the summons that have been issued to him in the Delhi liquor case. That request for stay has now been denied by court. The stay for exemption for the Delhi Chief Minister to appear before the court on the 16th of March has been denied, which means tomorrow the Delhi Chief Minister has to present himself before court. Anshul, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Anshul, we are given to understand that the court has asked Arvind Kejriwal to return to the trial court.
So yes, it seems like a big setback for the Delhi Chief Minister, where the court has asked the Delhi Chief Minister to, if at all he wants exemption from appearing in front of the court, he should go back to that court. And there was this petition that was moved by the Delhi Chief Minister, where he had asked for an absolute stay on the summons that were issued to him by the Rouse Avenue courts against the plea that was filed by the Enforcement Directorate, where the Enforcement Directorate, in two sets of pleas that were filed, the Enforcement Directorate had asked the court to help them to actually go ahead and in some way or the other summon the Delhi Chief Minister, because he has constantly been skipping those summons. To that, the Rouse Avenue Court had given a date of 16th March for the Delhi Chief Minister to appear in front of them, so that his version could also be heard. But to that also, from the side of the Delhi Chief Minister, the court was moved yet again, where they had asked for an exemption from his physical appearance in the matter too. And now finally the decision has come in that the stay on the summoning of Arvind Kejriwal that was challenged in front of the court, that was put in front of the court, has been that has been denied. And if at all he wants to be exempted from appearing in front of the court, then he should go back to the trial courts yet again. The court, in fact, the court that had given out this decision, he should go back to them and ask for an exemption. So yes, it remains to be seen if at all the Delhi government will, or the Delhi Chief Minister will yet again move the court and actually try to get that exemption from the courts. But yes, in all likelihood, for all practical purposes, it seems like that the Delhi Chief Minister would have to appear in front of the Rouse Avenue Court tomorrow.
Now, the Enforcement Directorate had on multiple occasions cited that Arvind Kejriwal has skipped several of those summons, going on to question and allege that he was not cooperating in the probe, which is why the court had asked him to appear in the first place, Anshul?
So the court had asked, initially the Enforcement Directorate had moved the courts that for the first three summons, the Delhi Chief Minister did not come and attend those summons, whereas the three summons that were issued post that as well, the Delhi Chief Minister did not come and came on those summons as well. And that is the reason why the court was moved by the Enforcement Directorate, initially basically requesting the court to order the Delhi Chief Minister to come in and join into the investigation, because some way or the other the absence of Delhi Chief Minister was hampering the investigation in this entire matter, is what the Enforcement Directorate had to say. Now post that we saw these hearings that were going on, in which the Rouse Avenue Court had asked the Delhi Chief Minister to be present in front of the court on March 16. In fact, the Delhi Chief Minister himself had informed the court that he will be present in front of them on March 16. And now, right, at the last moment, this petition was made, or the last legal remedy was applied from the side of the Delhi Chief Minister, where he was trying to get that exemption from appearing physically, but that seems to have been denied now. And if at all he wants that exemption, then he should go back to the court that had ordered his presence in front of them on March 16th.
Right, it'll be interesting to see how the Aam Aadmi Party or Arvind Kejriwal react to this. But